Today the topic of our video is SaaS mode and white label in GHL. So first of all, you have to understand what is white labeling and SaaS mode in GHL. So basically SaaS mode means that you sell your services to your customers. You can also do that in GHL. GHL provides you that opportunity. You can, if you have an agency account registered in GHL, you can sell your services to your customers, and I can explain it to you. For example, here you can see in my agency account, you can see SaaS education. I have enabled it, so it is enabled in my account. So what this will do is that you can sell your AI employee services, your chat widgets and other services to your customers. And you can and how is that? You have to create your their sub account in your agency account. So on that sub account, you can they have to buy subscriptions to run these services. You can add a limit which services you want to provide on that account. For example, some company come to you and they want your outbound calling system, so through GHL. So what you have to do is just you have to create their sub account, have to add the service of AI employee and charge on them. So first of all, how to create a white label? So white label is white label is meaning that you remove the GoHighLevel label and you add your own logo and your own domain sector in on your GHL. So as you can see, I have my logo here, and all my sub accounts contain the domain auxth.com. So I can visit you to what is a white label. As you can see, I have uploaded my logo. I have given them my domain. These are something. So whenever I registered a new account, they contain this logo and are on registered in on this domain. So you can now understand what is SaaS mode and what is white label. So how you can create subscriptions? You can will go to the reselling, and here you can create subscriptions, etc. So you can workflows, pricing. See, you can see some of these are already made by GoHighLevel. You can see your AI sell your AI employee that I just gave you example. So GoHighLevel charge you $97 and you can charge. So if you are seeing this price, if you approve this, all the sub accounts that are on this agency account will only see the price of $127. They will not see the price $97. So this is what means SaaS mode and white labeling. And you can see this, you can change some subscriptions plans, etc. You can resell WhatsApp, WordPress, etc. So this is what in this video I gave you some basic understanding of SaaS mode and white labeling in GHL. You can also search on these topics and you can excel yourself by practicing these things in your GHL. So kindly like and subscribe this channel to know or to know some more info about GoHighLevel and to see our video.